Today, preparing for the new engine, we're going to give a little wash on this guy here. I took all the wiring from this side, and this side I was taking last night, but then I realized that I'm gonna need to take that firewall protection, so it's more stuff for me to cover if I need to, and I decided just to wash it. So I'm trying to degrease, have the helper say hi. It's just YouTube, and let's do it. Oh well, check it out. This was black. It's actually pretty. Yeah, so basically I could not quite eat in here, but man, this is much cleaner than it was. So I guess just a few spots here that was hard to reach, and they stay dirty, but yeah, check it out. Just cleaning the bottom part. It was black, and just a little bit of dirt is coming off. So cool. And I also washed the whole thing. In here, I'm going to take this out and clean inside because it's nasty. Yeah, check it out. That is oil. That is oil. And honestly, I don't need any of this here on the trunk, so I might take this out. Here, I don't know what in the world the previous owner did. There are rocks in here, so not even sure how to clean all of this. Yeah, how to take the oil out of there. Wow, you can tell already how much cleaner this is, but we still not clean enough. So there, I thought the pressure would wash all of this, and did not. So I gotta come with the paper and take the rest of it. It's pretty easy. It's kinda loose, but the pressure washer won't take it. So dude, okay, end of the day, this is how it looks. Beautiful, clean. All the wires are gone. I'm not sure, I might take this out of here. Yeah, look at that. Wash all the car. Bug in there. I also power washed those things here, so expose the rust a little more. not much here. I gotta fix that. Here's all clean now. Also there, I gotta dry. But here, look at that. Rust. It's all pressure washed. I gotta sand it, paint it, and then we're going to kitty. And then we are going to wrap it. So I'm gonna show you me suffering to push this car by myself.
You heard it?
No. All right. Thank you. There you go. Hold on. I was done. All right, a few more things. I plan to remove this here, all of this here, and remove the brake booster. I don't think I need the booster. And there's the ABS unit in here. So this is going to be gone. I might keep those lines here, even though I get a new set for this. I might keep those lines because they're kind of all right there, I guess, like all tucked in and stuff. One thing I did, let me get a flashlight because we're going inside the car, is inside here you see all the wiring that came from the engine bay is all down here. So now that's the problem. I do not know because I want this to work. So I might need to learn some of those wiring in there, take this out of there, and try to figure if I can get one wire and pass the wire, and you know, maybe sell this to someone that have a good use for this harness instead of me butchering that just to use the wire. And one more thing is I'm gonna remove this thing here. So it's gonna be 4 bolts. I'm gonna get this in from here. Gutter some more of the car. I guttered a lot already. I have parts everywhere. Parts here. Sorry, my camera is in the way. Parts there. Those things are so heavy. Especially that one right there. That little thing in there. That goes on top. That was awfully heavy. So I might put a little plate in there and some light inside and put some Car Mods Garage. I don't know, I might make something cool. But yeah, car is prepared. Engine from the time I washed and now the engine is ready. I have the mounts as you see in there. You see those big things in there. Mount 1, mount 2. The sump now is rear, so it should be all good to go. I can drop the engine and test and see how it goes. And dude, exciting. But I think I have way more work than I expected because all this wiring I wasn't expecting. I was expecting those rust in there. We're gonna fix that too. We're gonna do some body work, some wrapping, and I think that's it for this video. It's more a vlog than a how-to anything, because I mean I'm just cleaning before putting the engine in there, and I think if you're doing the same thing, it's a good thing because if the engine is not out of there, you won't be able to clean the way you clean, the way I clean this. So shut the door, and that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a little comment if you know what to do with those wires, or how can I make the speedometer, RPM, and all those stuff work if I take those wires out of here. Because probably if I disconnect all of this, I'm gonna disconnect stuff I probably already did. So I don't know if there's a way I can test it. If you know, leave a little comment down here and I will really appreciate it. Alright, I'll see you on the next video, guys.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles to